So we're now going to make a beautiful Thai-inspired marinade for some fish. Beer is a fantastic base for any marinade that you make, particularly even with your red meats. It will really produce a very, very tender meat once you marinate it. But for today, Thai spice, as I said, we've got some fabulous, I guess, Thai spices and Thai flavours are so perfumey and aromatic, and that's what I love about Thai cooking. So I'm going to put some sweet chilli sauce in here, classic Thai flavours. I've got some fish sauce as well. Again, another very classic flavour in Thai cooking. Some lime juice, so that little burst of citrus, bit of acid in there as well. Some sugar, so we just want to tone down a little bit of that acidity from the lime juice. Some oil, throw in the oil, and then I like an extra little dose of chili. And now the beer. So once we put all of those ingredients in, we give it a bit of a mix, and we're going to add the beer. We're using the Stomping Ground Watermelon Smash, the Goza style beer. So why I'm using this beer is because a number of reasons. The Goza style actually uses coriander. And coriander is such a great Thai spice. I'm going to be adding some fresh coriander into the marinade in a minute. But also the Goza, they use salt in their water. So given I'm using fish, I think just bringing the taste of the sea to this marinade with this Goza style beer is just going to work absolutely beautiful. And watermelon and chili is such a great flavour combination. So I've literally mixed all that in, the sugar's dissolved. I'm going to pour it over our fish here. Yum, get all of that chili in there. And then I'm going to chop up some fresh coriander. Coriander, as I said, very classic Thai flavour. Don't look at my chopping skills, I'm not a chef. But as long as I don't cut my fingers, I'll be fine. But yeah, look, some people actually don't like coriander, and I learnt recently that about 20% of the population is actually allergic to coriander, so there you go. We use the stems as well. Most of the flavour's actually in the stems. Look at that, how beautiful does that look? And that's it, so simple. And the taste of that beer, the flavour of that beer is going to really come through in the fish. That sweetness of the watermelon I think is going to work really nicely. And then we just put some Glad wrap on it and put it in the fridge for a couple of hours, and it's ready to cook. Yum.